Hi, Chuck Pirro with Disclosure Source. And today I thought we'd talk about flood zones, which is a part of your NHC report and a required disclosure of the seller to a buyer. Flood zones are based on elevations. As such, if any part of the parcel is located in a flood zone, your NHC report is going to say, yes, the property is in a flood zone. However, because they're based on elevations, there could be the instance where the structure, the house, is at an elevation that takes it out of the flood zone. The NHC report isn't going to address elevations, but a flood cert does. So let's talk about a flood cert. The flood cert would verify if the structure on that property is at an elevation that takes it out of the flood zone. And if that be the case, there could be a chance to have the requirement of flood insurance waived by the lender. So a flood cert is very important, but it's not the official document needed to waive the requirement of flood insurance. However, it's part of the process. What you need to do would be to have a land surveyor come to the property and prepare what's called an elevation certificate, which then gets sent to FEMA. FEMA would then send back a document called a letter of map revision. That would be the official document needed for the consideration of waiving the requirement of flood insurance. I should mention, waiver of flood insurance is always at the discretion of the lender. But if the lender has a document from FEMA verifying that the structure is not in the flood zone, chances are the requirement of flood insurance will be waived. So a disclosure source, whenever a property is located in a flood zone, we will, as a courtesy, send along a flood cert. And again, the flood cert will verify if the structure on that property is in or out of the flood zone. This is a great tool and a great document to have as you're trying to sell your house. Thanks, and I hope this helps.